Hi, first grade. Today we're going to continue practicing reading and writing multisyllable words with suffixes. You ready? The first word that I want to talk about is this word. I'm going to cover the suffix. Let's look at just the base word. Can you read the base word? Include. Include. Now let's read it with the suffix. Includes. Can you find the first syllable of the word include? Do you see it? Okay. I'm going to scoop it. In. Do you see the second one? I'm going to scoop it. Include. Include. And then do you remember how we mark up a suffix? I circle it. That's right. Includes. I'm going to give you 5 more words. So I need you to grab a piece of paper or your whiteboard, but I need something that you can take a picture of and send to me in Seesaw because I'd like to check your work. I'm going to say a word and I'm going to have you repeat the base word to me. The word I give you is going to have a suffix, but remember, it's very important that we don't worry about the suffix because we can add that at the end. It's super easy. What we need to be keyed into is listening for first syllable, second syllable, and then spelling. First syllable, tapping if we need to. Spelling second syllable, tapping if we need to. Reading, checking, and then adding a suffix. Are you ready? Here's your first one. Finishing. Finishing. Tell me the base word. Finish. All right, so let's listen to that first syllable. The first syllable is fin. That's so easy. Let's tap that out. I'm going to write that down. You write it down as well. Okay? Ish. Ish. There's my finish. Now to finish, finishing, I'm just going to put that suffix on the end. Finish. Finishing. Okay. I'm close to finishing this word now. Do you remember how we scooped and we circled? That's what I want you to do for finishing. Show me that you know the first syllable, scoop it. That you know the second syllable, scoop it. And that you know the suffix. Now be careful. I noticed that sometimes when you're scooping, your scoops are super big. Your scoop should have fin inside one, ish inside the second, and then ing circled because that's the suffix. Are you ready? I'm going to give you 1, 2, 3, 4 more. Are you ready? Okay. Your first one, all by yourself. Insisted. What's the base word? Insist. Grab your paper. Insist. First syllable. Second syllable. Suffix. Insist. Insisted. Now mark it up. Okay, word number 2. Cobwebs. Cobwebs. What's the base word? Cobweb. Okay, work on that first syllable. Cob. Web. Now add your suffix. cobweb, cobwebs. And then scoop your first syllable, scoop your second syllable, and circle your suffix. Word number 3. Unzips. Unzips. Tell me your base word. Unzip. 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 Unzips. Identify your first syllable with a scoop, your second syllable with a scoop, and then circle your suffix. Ready? One more. Indented. Indented. When we wrote our paragraph, we indented the first line. Base word, indent. First syllable, in. Second syllable, Write it down. Now listen, I'm going to say it with the suffix. Indented. Did you get it? Okay. Scoop your first syllable. Scoop your second syllable. Identify your suffix. There it is. Good. I'm going to read over them again. Check your work. Insist. Insisted. Cobweb. Cobwebs. Unzip. Unzips. Indent. Indented. Do you remember this one that we did? Include. Includes. And last but not least, finish. Finishing. And that is me finishing my lesson. And I think my words are backwards. Yeah. Sorry, guys.